How much material can an extruder actually produce in 1 minute? In cable manufacturing, output capacity is one of the key factors to consider when choosing an extrusion line. In this test, we are measuring the real-time output of 4 different extruders, with each machine running for 1 minute. As you watch, you can see the material being extruded continuously while we measure the actual quantity produced within the 1-minute period. This type of test gives us a practical indication of the machine's production capacity under the test conditions. But remember, actual output can vary depending on factors such as the material being processed, screw design, temperature, line speed, and cable specifications. At ShineWorld Group, we don't just supply cable manufacturing machines. We help you understand the right equipment, test its performance, and choose solutions that match your production requirements. Real machines, real tests, real production insights. Follow ShineWorld Group for more practical insights from the cable manufacturing industry.